Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to guide you about Durham Furniture. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Durham Furniture Guide. Durham Furniture is well known for its robust, long-lasting wooden furniture created from responsibly harvested wood. The business has been in existence for almost a century, and it continues to supply high-quality furniture to all of its customers. Of course, Durham Furniture has a fascinating backstory, so let's delve in and learn more about it. Durham Furniture creates solid wood furniture that is known for its high quality, award-winning design and long-lasting value. Handcrafted from sustainably sourced cherry and maple, no veneers, no particle board, simply Mother Nature's own unique creation. It's all built in Durham, a little town with a reputation for quality and value that dates back to 1899. Durham Furniture delivers beauty and comfort to every location, from exclusive luxury hotels to family homes across North America. Choose from traditional, transitional, contemporary and cottage styles, all of which are suitable for today's house and will become cherished family heirlooms tomorrow. Durham Furniture information. The Durham Furniture firm is well known for its commitment to high-quality, long-lasting craftsmanship. Despite the fact that the firm has changed hands since its founding in the 19th century, the current owners remain committed to the original Durham Furniture Company's quality promise. Tables, chairs, cabinets and other items are available from the Durham Furniture Company. Of course, each of their pieces is meticulously crafted with features such as mortise and tenon joint construction for stability, corner blocking on cabinets for added strength, fitted backs to prevent racking, heat-resistant stains, finished bed rails, and slats designed to withstand years of use, and dovetail-style drawer construction for continued tight. History of the Durham Furniture Company. The Durham Furniture Company was founded in the late 1800s. In the 1890s, a group of chosen business people from Durham, Canada gathered more than $10,000 from local residents with the goal of helping to provide employment for the town's residents. By the year 1900, the Durham Furniture Company had shipped its first cargo to a British customer. The company continued to supply furniture to a range of individuals and businesses over the next few decades. The T. Eaton Company was the Durham Furniture Company's largest client, and in 1948, they commissioned the Durham Furniture Company to design a special piece of furniture for Princess Elizabeth and her husband, the Duke of Edinburgh, later Prince Philip, in order to commemorate their wedding. This desk, which dates from 1948, is still in use at Buckingham Palace by Prince Philip. The corporation has changed hands multiple times over the years. During the 1950s, Crowler Manufacturing bought the company, and in 1979, a different corporation, the Strathern House Group of Toronto, bought the Canadian subsidiary of Crowler Manufacturing. Durham Furniture Inc. was resurrected in 1992 after a local group of Durham residents acquired cash to purchase the company in the 1990s. Surprisingly, the company, which was once again run by Durham citizens, is still in the hands of Durham residents. Many of our American readers may be surprised by this, as they may be aware, with the tragic story of Pennsylvania House Furniture and Harden Furniture. Unfortunately, both of these businesses later shuttered or outsourced their manufacture. Durham, on the other hand, is still a proudly Canadian company. Products from the Durham Furniture Company. Armor, dresses, nightstands, chests, beds, and other solid wood furniture are produced by the Durham Furniture firm. Contemporary, classic, casual, traditional and a transitional style that combines contemporary and traditional styles are among the styles available. Their furniture is created from sustainably harvested wood and crafted with the aforementioned sturdy craftsmanship. Durham's beautiful solid wood furniture reminds me of high-end manufacturers such as Stickley and Henredon. The distinctive light cherry finish seen on Durham, on the other hand, frequently gives it away. Buying Durham Furniture, a buyer's guide. If you want to buy Durham Furniture, you may find a list of US and Canadian merchants on the official website. The company does not sell furniture directly to consumers at this moment. If you aren't sure which furniture you want, you can look over their current selections on their website. Durham Furnishings. Furniture for sale in Durham. Durham Furniture is the only non-American furniture brand that Vintage Furniture Guide promotes. After more than a century in business, Durham Furniture is still created in Durham, Ontario. Today, enjoy wonderful solid wood furniture manufactured by our northern neighbors. The best furniture in Canada. What is the value of Durham Furniture? Is it priceless? Where can you get this lovely piece of furniture? Of course, the solutions begin here. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.